Hi, welcome to your 10-minute flow with the invitation to notice what is it that is blocking your inner wisdom from shining through? Is it your mental thoughts? Is it what you say to yourself? And try on a new way as soon as you notice it. Start in child's pose. Bring your hips back onto your heels. The invitation is to notice without any extra judgment so that we can remove whatever it is that's blocking our inner wisdom from shining through. Downward facing dog. It's the invitation to be true to what's needed in your body today. So adapt the practice as you need for what's true for you in this moment. Ragdoll, walk your feet to your hands. Grab onto opposite elbows or clasp your hands at your low back. Take a deep breath in. Lift your toes away from the mat. Spread your toes out wide. Reach up, extended mountain pose. Inhale. Draw hands into heart center. Exhale. Feel your hands touching each other. Lift the front of the pelvis up. Pull belly button to spine. Take another breath in. Exhale, release your hands by your side. Stand tall. Extended mountain pose. Inhale. Forward fold, slight bend in the knees. Squeeze the legs in towards each other. Flat back, breathe in. High plank, breathe out. With the option to lower your knees to the mat. Look out forward so your neck is in line with your spine. Take another breath in. Keep the neck in line with the spine as you lower part way or halfway down. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Pull belly button to spine. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Look to the front of your mat. Exhale, step or jump there. Flat back on your inhale. Fold on the exhale. Chair pose, inhale, sit the hips low. Only we can remove what blocks the basic goodness and dignity and wisdom within ourselves. Inhale here. Exhale, clasp your hands at your low back, or you can bring hands to hips. Inhale, look up. Exhale, bow forward. Keep the hands on hips or clasp behind the back. Inhale, halfway lift, airplane the arms. High to low plank, breathe out. Step back with the opposite foot that you did last time. Breathe on purpose. Inhale to the back bend. See what you're looking at. Downward facing dog. Right foot forward, warrior one. Turn the back foot flat, press down into the mat to rise up. Inhale here. Lunge deep into the front knee, but not beyond the front heel. So knee above the front heel. Clasp your hands at low back or bring hands to hips. Inhale, press the shoulder blades in towards the spine. Look up. Exhale, stay and lunge deeper. Inhale, stretch the arms back overhead. Exhale, open to warrior two. Straighten the right leg, breathe in. Reach the right arm forward for triangle pose. Bring hand to thigh or shin or to a block. Deep inhale. Exhale, fold a little deeper sideways. High plank on your next breath in. Low plank on the breath out. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Left foot forward, warrior one. Press your feet flat into the floor to rise up. Set your gaze to one spot. Breathe in. Hands to hips or clasp behind back. Press the shoulder blades in towards the spine as you look up. Pull belly button to spine and lunge deeper into the front knee. Breathe out. Stay low in the lunge. Inhale, reach the arms back up. Exhale, open to warrior two. Straighten the front leg for triangle pose. Reach the left arm forward, right hand high. Set your eyes to one spot and breathe on purpose. And notice if any thoughts show up that are blocking you from knowing your inner goodness and wisdom. Take another inhale here. Go 1 inch deeper, exhale. High plank, breathe in. Low plank, breathe out. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Look to the front of your mat, breathe in. Exhale, step or jump there. Flat back, breathe in. Fold, breathe out. Chair pose, inhale. Eagle, right leg over, right arm under. So you could kickstand your foot on the floor or squeeze the shin in towards each other. Option to keep your hands at the shoulders or wind the forearms up. Take another breath in. Sit a little lower, breathe out. Notice your mental thoughts. Release, switch sides. And if they're blocking you from your inner goodness, left leg over, left arm under. Notice and choose a new way. Wiggling and wobbling are facts of life. We can let go of resistance to them and just be with the experience of our own goodness, exactly as we are not. Mountain pose, breathe in. Forward fold, breathe out. Flat back, breathe in. High to no plank, lay on your belly for Sphinx pose. Bring your forearms to the mat. Lift the front of the pelvis up. So the pubic bone is down, but the hip bones are up. Pull belly button to spine. Draw the shoulders back. Press your palms flat into the floor. Deep breath in. You may stay here and breathe or curl your toes under and lift your knees and thighs up towards the ceiling. Take another breath in. You may stay here or airplane the arms for locust pose. Notice the mental space and thinking that's happening, and notice if those thoughts are the things that are blocking you from your inner goodness and wisdom. Take another inhale. Release. Forehead to the mat. You can rest your forehead on your hands for a moment and just notice the breath in your ribs and chest. Notice the forehead and heartbeat. Come up to a seat and make your way onto your back for a little bit of core. Press the feet up towards the ceiling. Bring fingertips to the back of the head and pulse the shoulders away from the mat for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Yogi bicycle sit-ups. Bring opposite knee toward opposite elbow. We'll do 5 sets. Breathe and see. 4 or more. 3 more. 2 more sets. Last one. Hug the knees into the chest. Big squeeze. Bring right ankle, supine figure 4 across the left thigh. If it feels good to stay right here, please do. Or extend the left leg up towards the ceiling, creating a bit of a hamstring stretch as well. Notice the thoughts come up. Let them go so that you can breathe and see and feel what's happening without judgment. Switch sides. Often it's our thinking that blocks us from our inner knowing. So we use the tools of breathing and seeing on purpose while we do to remove any blocks. Take one more breath in here. Give your knees a big squeeze, release. Shavasana, final relaxation. Press into the back of the head and tuck the shoulder blades under the spine. Let yourself just be. If you have more time in your day, please stay here. Otherwise, roll over to your right side into a fetal position and take a moment to acknowledge yourself for carving the time out of your day to move and breathe and see for a few moments. Come up to a seated position. Bring your palms to touch at the center of your chest. Take a deep breath in. Open mouth, clear it out. Touch your thumbs to the middle of your forehead. Acknowledge yourself one more time. Good work. Bow forward. Namaste. Thank you for being here. We'll see you next time.